Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to make a checklist in Excel. Friends, if you want to make a checklist in your Excel sheet, then you simply need to open your Excel file. In your Excel file, you need to right click on any of the tab. I am right clicking on Home tab. Now here some options will pop up. You need to click on Customize the ribbon. Now here you simply need to select Developer and click on OK. Now a developer tab will appear in your Excel software. You simply need to click on it and here you need to click on insert and here click on this checkbox. Now select the portion on the screen where you want your checkbox to appear. Now adjust the size. If you want, you can delete the text. Now to copy this checkbox to other cell, you simply need to select the cell and drag it down. Now friends, your checkbox is available on your Excel sheet. Now if you want this checkbox to do some functions also, then you need to right click on the checkbox and here select Format Control. Now here click on Cell Link and select the cell and click on OK. Now when we select the cell, show the result true, and when we uncheck the box, it will show false. So we will do the same to all the cells. Now all checkbox are showing results. Now if we want the color of the selected cell will change automatically, then you need to select the complete table and click on Home. Here you need to click on Conditional Formatting. Now click on New Rules. Here you need to select Use a formula to determine which cell to format. Now here you need to type equal to and select the cell. Now $sign will appear. We need to delete $sign. Basically in my case I have selected J3. Now in my case my formula is equal to $sign J3. Now click on Format. Here click on Fill. Now select the color which you want to appear when you select the checkbox. After selecting the color etc., click on OK and click on OK again. Now we are all done. So when we select the checkbox, the color of the complete row will automatically change. I just show you. And when we unselect the checkbox, it will become normal. So friends, like this you can very easily make a checklist in Excel. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.